What is fraud in will execution or inducement? Imagine someone tricking a person into signing a will they don't fully understand or convincing them to change their estate plan through lies. That's what we call fraud in will execution or inducement. When it comes to estate planning, the goal is to make sure the will truly reflects the testator's wishes. But if deception is involved, that can cause big problems. Fraud in will execution happens at the moment the person signs the will. For example, if someone forges the testator's signature or misleads them about what they are signing, the will might be invalid. The testator might sign without knowing what's in the document or under false pretenses. This kind of fraud makes the will invalid because it wasn't signed voluntarily or with full understanding. Fraud and inducement occurs earlier, during the will's creation. It involves tricking or pressuring the testator into including or leaving out certain things. For instance, if someone lies about a beneficiary's relationship or fabricates facts to get the testator to change the will, that's inducement by fraud. The key point is that the testator's consent was obtained through deception, not free will. Both types of fraud go against the idea that a will should show the true intentions of the person making it. If fraud is proven, the entire will can be challenged in court. Sometimes, the court might declare the will invalid and revert to an earlier valid will or follow the laws of intestacy, which distribute assets when no valid will exists. In estate law, attorneys work hard to prevent fraud by making sure the testator understands what they are signing and that proper witnesses are present. Family members or interested parties who suspect fraud can contest the will in probate court. They need to show clear evidence of deception or coercion. Protecting vulnerable elders from being manipulated or deceived is especially important. Elder law focuses on shielding seniors from undue influence or fraud during estate planning. So, in simple terms, fraud in will execution or inducement involves trickery or lies that interfere with the true intentions behind a will. When proven, it can make the will invalid and change how the estate is distributed. That's why honesty, transparency, and proper legal procedures are so vital in estate planning.